Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a galaxy far, far away with a review of the best Star Wars shirts for boys currently available. If your young Jedi or Sith apprentice is a fan of the iconic Star Wars universe, these shirts are a must-have. The Star Wars 3-pack t-shirts feature officially licensed artwork that includes beloved characters like Chewbacca, Darth Vader, and more. These shirts are not just apparel, they're a statement of fandom. Made from a comfortable blend of 60% cotton and 40% polyester, these shirts are ideal for both indoor and outdoor activities. The ribknit crewneck collar ensures durability and comfort, making them perfect for everyday wear and playtime adventures. Available in a vibrant assortment of colors, black, red, and heather gray, there's a style to suit every young Star Wars enthusiast's preference. Sizes range from infant to big kid, ensuring a perfect fit for every age. These shirts aren't just stylish, they're practical too. Easy to care for with machine wash cold instructions. They're designed to withstand the adventures of young Star Wars fans without losing their vibrant colors or shape. Whether it's a gift for a birthday or a special treat, the Star Wars 3-pack t-shirts come neatly packaged and ready to delight any young Star Wars aficionado. So, if you're looking to add a touch of the Force to your child's wardrobe, these Star Wars shirts are a fantastic choice. Click the link in the description below to get yours today, and may the Force be with you. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Until next time, happy shopping!